Hi guys, this is Karina. So I'm back with another video tutorial on my template 5. I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this 15-inch flower using only 3 petals out of my template 5. Let me put that to the side so I can show you what other sizes you could do. You can do a smaller 9-inch flower roughly using the smallest petal. I just doubled up here. I just made 10 of these and then I added 2 layers of 5. I also made this one. She's roughly around 16 inches and she is using, how's the center's not glued? Using, here, let me show you which petals I used. So I didn't use the first one, but I did use the second, the third, and the fourth. And all I did was made 6, 6, 6 so that she has 3 layers. Obviously, if you want to add more layers, go for it. Honestly, you get 8 petals with template 5. So the more you add, obviously the bigger it'll be. The larger the petals you use, the larger it'll be. I mean, again, she's already measuring at 16 inches just using the second, the third, and the fourth petal. So I mean, you still have 4 more that are bigger than that. So I mean, the flower, most likely you can probably make a 20-inch, maybe even larger than that using this petal. But today, like I said, we will be working on making this one. Super simple, guys, and seriously, it's so cute. So all you're going to need are the first 3 petals. And you're going to need 6, 6, and 6. Okay. So I do have all of my petals already prepped, -1, just so I can show you how to prep the petals. So you're going to get your petal. You're going to fold it in half. Does not have to be perfectly even. Something like that. You need something to grow with. I'm using my wooden dowels. I think these are from Target. Bought them in a variety pack for under $2. So just like that, you're going to need your scissors. Cut about 2 inches. Then get your glue. And then we're just gonna glue this like that. And that's it. You will be doing this to all the petals, okay? And that's exactly what I did for this one and this one, the same way I prepped the petals. Only difference, obviously, is the size. So, grab your first 6, which are your largest. I'm using my Adtech Pro 80 today. If you're wondering where I got it off Amazon, but you can purchase it. I've pretty much seen it at every craft store. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, even Walmart. So you're just adding a dot of glue and you're going to be going around. Move her. So we just want to glue these around until we form some sort of circle in the center. All right. I am using, because I always get asked about cardstock, I am using the color Grapesicle by Poptone. It's a very light purple. It's very comparable to the lightest purple in the Michaels pack. Their lightest purple shade is pretty much identical, guys. I just like to get it in bulk since I tend to use that color a lot. So Poptone has, like I said, they have it. I purchased the 250 pack sheets off Paper Papers, and this is 65-pound weight. All right, now grab the same color. You're going to cut a circle because we need to cover that hole. Okay. We're going to add glue around, just like that. And then just hold down. If you're wondering what happened right there, burn. Glue gun, so you have to be careful. So there's my first layer, guys. Now we're on to our second layer. You're gonna add a strip of glue. Now we will be going in between. And pretty much this is it. Again, this is a 3-layer petal, but I mean, if you wanted to add more petals, you definitely can. And again, this is just one way of using the template. I do have a saved Instagram under my highlight stories, another picture tutorial on this one, and I don't do the crease in the middle. So this is just another way that I like to use this template. Okay, so we're done to my second petal. So now we're on to the little one, last one. This time, I'm only gonna go add glue to the right side. Then we're gonna center it because we want it to line up with the one in the back. And then go around. So as you can see, super simple. Definitely great for beginners. And you can find my templates at www.arielelisedesigns.com. Now we're on to our last one. Remember how I said I only glued on the right side? Because we're going to be tucking in this last petal. Do you see how I tucked her in? So now I need to add glue right here. Press down. And voila, all done. Now we need a center. I will be using, so I did use my official Cricut, and I did use the Peony image, which is this one right here. And then I just always like to add a little gem into the center of these. And the gem that I am using is they're actually from Walmart. I think it comes in a pack of silver, gold, and then your clear ones, which are just the one that I used for this one. So, and then you're pretty much done, guys. I mean, I typically, sometimes I just like to use 1 layer because honestly, that's all you really need. And then you're just gonna glue that. Just gonna add some glue on the back. And then you're going to glue it. And then you're all done. Super cute, right? So here's like a smaller peony image. And then just adding a cute little gem in the center. Super cute. I love them. So I hope that was helpful. So again, this is my template 5, using the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th petal, and I did 6 of each. But again, you want to make smaller, then just use a tiny one. If you want to make larger, just follow the same technique, guys. And again, if you want to use this petal in a different way, please, please, please go ahead and do it, okay? I'm just showing you here because I know for beginners, it's kind of hard to get started. So I just wanted to make this to show you guys a way that you can use my template 5. All right, I will chat with you guys later. Bye.